Let's take a look at how to update Mathcad with a new license. My previous license expired, so Mathcad reverted to Mathcad Express. I received my new license from PTC. Then you're going to go to the Mathcad button in the upper left-hand corner and choose Options. And in the Options dialog box, it automatically goes to the license tab and it tells us that my license is invalid, I have no license. And so then underneath license configuration, you can point to a license server or to a source list. But in this case, I am going to use a file. I will click on the browse button. And now I will navigate on my computer to where I stored my newest license file. And when you get your license files from PTC, if you have Creo Parametric as well, they're going to send you two licenses. You can use either one. The standard license is the old license, the initial license that they used to give like 2 decades ago. Then they added license borrowing, while the one that doesn't have standard in the name enables license borrowing for Creo Parametric. But again, it doesn't matter which one that you use for Mathcad. I will choose the Open button and then click Apply. And now it says that the license status is valid. I can close the dialog box. You'll notice that the watermark indicating Mathcad Express has gone away, as well as all the different lock icons on various functionality that is disabled with Mathcad Express. And I am back up to a full Mathcad license.